If you want to connect your Xiaomi 17 to your computer in order to transfer data, the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. You want to connect your phone to your computer via USB cable. Of course, you can use the original cable that we have inside the box as long as it fits, but if it doesn't for some reason, you can use a custom cable, for example USB-C to USB-C. Once you connect your phone to your computer, at first it's gonna start charging. What you want to do is you want to go to notifications, and then in here you can find charging this device via USB. So we want to tap on this notification and you want to select file transfers / Android Auto. After that, you should be able to open your computer and you should be able to find Xiaomi 17. So we can go over here in order to find the storage. You can of course locate all your files that you have on your phone, and you can easily transfer them to your computer if needed, or of course the other way around. If you have something that you want to transfer from your computer to your phone, then you can just place these files into one of these folders, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe